Hi, Getty from GettyStewart.com here with Stinging Nettle, and we are going to steam blanch this to get rid of the burn. So when you're using stinging nettle, you do have to process it in some way, shape, or fashion. So you can dry it and it will take care of the burn. So if you completely dehydrate it, that's one way. The way we're going to do it right now is by using a pan of just a little bit of water and sauteing the stinging nettle in water. So I'm separating the stems and the leaves. You can use the stems in tea or cook it a little bit longer later. But right now I'm just going to do the leaves. I've still got my gloves. It's still stinging. So which makes it a little bit cumbersome, but you can separate the leaves and the stem. Now the tip, I don't mind using the whole tip. It's fine to add to our pan. So once we have about 2 cups full, I'm going to go ahead and turn on my stove and let my pan get hot. We are adding a little bit of water to the pan, and then we're adding our greens, and you'll see that it will start to wilt and shrivel right away. You want it to turn a nice dark green and be quite tender. And then that's how we want it. So it's dark green. All of the leaves, all of the stems have cooked down. You don't really need to have it, worry about it being cooked fully through, because you're using this in another recipe that will do a little bit more of the cooking. So now I'm going to transfer it to my plate. Now, if I'm going to use this in a recipe that needs the nettle to be dry, say a cheese biscuit, then I'll want to really squeeze the water out and drain it. Other than that, if I'm using it in a wetter recipe, this is ready to go.